friends, welcome back to my channel Rachna's Vlog. Stay happy. Hope you all are doing well and taking all the precautions while going out. So today's episode is all about oiling and correct way to oil your hair. I know lots of you must be thinking that it's just oil, just take it, massage it and wash it. After watching this video, you will definitely find a difference and you will get to know what are the steps, how should you apply oil into your hair before and after oiling, what should you do. So I will show you two ways to prepare this oil, this magical oil, because this works in magic for me. I've already told you that during lockdown I have suffered I have experienced a severe hair fall. So after that I have just changed my hair care routine. So I will show you that how to prepare this oil and how to apply this oil into your hair, and definitely it will be a game changer. Just have a look how do I prepare and apply and then come back.
Method 1. So here are the ingredients which we need to prepare this oil. First is 1 small onion. I have taken the red one, you can use white one also. Few cloves of garlic, I have taken 7 to 8 cloves. 1 small teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, that is methi seed. Almond oil, guys, this is the best oil to prepare this magical oil, and I use this only, but in case you don't have these, you can use extra virgin olive oil also, but almond oil is best. Oil should not be heated directly over the flame, so I have put a pan. Over that I have placed 1 katori and mix all the ingredients, and I will just leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Let it boil so that all the goodness of all the ingredients comes into the oil, that gets infused into this oil. So it will be boiled for approx 15 to 20 minutes. That's it. You just switch off the flame and strain this oil and let it cool down. So your oil is ready to use. Whenever you want to use this, just before using, heat up for 15 to 20 seconds. Just warm up, not heat up, warm up. So I'm going to use few drops of essential oil, that is tea tree oil. It is completely optional. So method 2 is, here there are fresh aloe vera leaves. I have cut it into small pieces. You can crush it also, and in the same way I'm going to heat the oil over the pan and mix this aloe leaf into this oil and let it boil for approx 15 to 20 minutes. Once it is boiled and all the goodness of aloe vera leaf get infused into the oil, let it cool down and strain it. And after straining again, first you just crush the aloe vera gel well, and after straining just use any essential oil, rose oil or tea tree oil, any oil. I'm using tea tree oil, that is my favorite, so I will use that. If you don't have, you can completely skip that step, that is completely optional. So the first step is detangle your hair. Always use big tooth comb to detangle your hair. This is very first and very important step before oiling. Oiling should not be done in tangled hair because it can cause hair damage. So the second step is to damp your hair, because oil gets absorbed better when your hair is wet. So always dampen your hair before oiling. Similarly with the case of conditioner and serum. The next step is oil application. Take some oil and massage it very gently with your fingertip. Do not use your nails to massage, and be focused on this application. Do not focus on your worries, do not focus on any tension. Just massage it and get relaxed, and make sure you have applied this oil on all your hair, and do not pull your hair, else it will cause hair damage. After this, take some hot water, dip a towel into it, and take this hot towel and wrap it around your hair in order to increase the penetration of this oil well. Leave it for 10 minutes and repeat this process twice. Leave this oil for 6 to 8 hours and then wash your hair.
Welcome back. I hope now you know how to prepare this oil and how to apply this oil one use you are not going to see any magic, because you should have to have some patience, because there is nothing in this world which can create a magic overnight. So just have patience and use this oil. And also I have included some hair packs, hair toner, hair serum, which I will show you in my coming videos, and that is definitely going to help you, because I am very much satisfied with these things, these DIYs. And here I want to clarify two myths also. First is that oil can cause hair fall, oiling can cause hair fall. I think I should not believe, and you should also not believe this, because those hairs are loosen up hair that is going to fall off. Either you are combing your hair or you are going to have shampoo, those are loosen up hair. Just be very gentle while massaging to your scalp. Oiling doesn't cause any hair fall. Second, if you have an oily scalp, you should not oil your hair. No guys, just like your skin, your hair also needs moisturizer. If you have oily skin, combination skin, dry skin, you need moisturizer, right? So oil is moisturizer for hair also. So you should follow oiling at least twice a week. So I hope this is very, very, very helpful for you. So please like, subscribe and share to my video. In coming video I am going to tell you about the serum, the toner and all DIY what I use for my skin and my hair. So till then, bye bye.